Hello, writers. Welcome back to Sydney Brown, the Memoir Mastermind, Writing and Publishing for Beginners channel. Today, we're going to step out of the solitary writing room and immerse ourselves into the dynamic world of memoir writing conferences. So I want to real quick talk about the differences between the three things that you may attend. Now, in other video, I've talked about workshops. Workshops are the thing where you dive in. It may be a couple hours long, and you kind of it really is a learning experience that you're going to have a specific topic and you're going to learn it, and then you're going to go home and implement. Now, there's other things like the conferences that we're talking about now. Conferences can be, a couple days, a week, whatever it is. It's like a convention where you're going to go. Usually go somewhere. It's usually not going to be in your hometown because there's not necessarily, unless you live in a big city, there's not necessarily going to be a lot of writers who have the same mind, the same goals and stuff. So with most conferences, it's something you're going to travel to. You're going to probably, maybe stay in the same hotel where the conference is, and it's going to be more of an experience. And then there is what they call writing retreats, and this is like a vacation that you do writing. And that, of course, is going to cost you quite a bit of money in comparison to anything like a workshop or something. But, usually they all three will cost something. It's an investment in yourself. You decide what you want to do with each of them. But now that you kind of know the differences between the levels of, the workshop, the conference, and the retreats, now hopefully when I talk a little bit more about the conferences, we can actually dig in and you'll have a better understanding. But when you're attending a writing conference, it's really a powerful way to connect with others in the writing community. You'll learn from the industry experts. You'll gain exposure to different writing and publishing trends. And most importantly, you grow as a writer. That's the main reason you've gone, right? Memoir writing specific, those conferences will typically be more tailored to helping us navigate the unique challenges and the opportunities that come with, recounting and going through your personal stories and sharing those. So when you have conferences, it really does, it brings together authors and publishers, fellow memoirists from potentially around the entire world. Like it may be in New York or Atlanta or some major metropolis where you're going to travel from all over to go to this event. But you usually would have, keynote speakers, there are panel discussions, there's workshops. Remember we talked about the workshops. There's workshops in a conference, and pitch sessions, networking events, parties. All these things are geared toward providing you with knowledge, skills, connections, building that network that you need to craft your memoir and get it in the hands of the readers. It's an immersive experience. So let's dive deeper into the benefits of attending a memoir writing conference. And then I'm going to talk about the top 10 tips to ensure that you make the most of these writing conferences. So if you're ready, let's jump right in.